Right now, we are at the Assam Medical College and Hospitals in Dibrugarh. This is the region's oldest medical college in the region, and you can see from the pictures here, from the visuals, live visuals going on, that the doctors here are all set. The students, junior doctors, senior doctors, nurses, everybody is all set to take out a huge and mammoth protest rally against this crime which has shook the entire nation, and there has been global repercussions also. Priya, the doctors, in fact, responding to the Indian Medical Association call, has gathered here for this rally here. Would like to interact with one or two of them. What do you see? What is your reaction to the entire episode?
I can't even react. Like, this should not happen to anyone. Like, anyone. We have gathered together for our safety, for women's safety. It's not about only doctors. It's about humanity. So, we people are serving humanity. In return, we just want simple things. Women's safety, safety for peaceful workplace environment, and justice for the victim.
So it's a heinous crime, and we all are ashamed that we are working here and such a bad thing happened with one of our colleagues. We have only three demands. First is workplace safety. The second is the culprits should be caught and punished. And third, the strict implementation of CPA, Central Protection Act for doctors.
Yes, it is a very simple act for us, and we just demand a strict punishment for the culprit. That's it.
আজি আমি সকলোৱে ইয়াতে একেলগ হৈছোঁ। আমাৰ কলেজত এনেকুৱা এটা ঘটনা 2014 হৈ গৈছিল, আৰু 10 বছৰ পাছত এতিয়ালৈ কোনেও জাষ্টিছ নাপালে, বিকজ জাষ্টিছ দিলেই হ'ল আৰু সব এভিডেন্স গুচাই দিলেই হ'ল, আৰু সকলো মানুহ এতিয়া ৰাস্তাত সেই ঘূৰি আছে। মই বুজি নাপাওঁ, ভাৰতৰ নিচিনা এখন দেশত ধৰ্ষণকাৰীৰ বাবে কিয় এনেকুৱা একো আইন নাই, যাৰ কাৰণে ধৰ্ষিতকাৰীয়ে নিজে যুঁজিব লাগে। She is murdered, she is raped, and she is fighting for her justice, regretting to be an Indian right now. She is the only daughter of her parents. How much we will shout for women's safety? It's like 10 years, it's like 78 years of independence. How much we are suffering. কেনিবা শুনিছে কোনোবা আদালতত গৈ কোনোবা মহিলাক কোনোবাই পুৰুষেৰে ধৰ্ষণ কৰা, কোনোবা ডিসি অফিসত গৈ কোনোবা এক্সিকিউটিভ মেজিষ্ট্ৰেটক কোনোবাই ধৰ্ষণ কৰা? আপোনালোকে শুনিছে? এখন ইণ্ডিয়াত একমাত্ৰ হস্পিটেল হয় য'ত মানুহে আহি আমাক আঘাত কৰিব পাৰে। মই আৱেগিক হৈ পৰিছোঁ, মোৰ শব্দ নাই, কাৰণ আজি 10 বছৰ আগত ইয়াত এনেকুৱা এটা যিটো ঘটনা হৈ গৈছিল, সেই ঘটনাৰ আমি সাক্ষী আছিলোঁ। আৰু আমাৰ আজি আন্দোলনৰ এটাই উদ্দেশ্য হ'ব লাগে, যিমান সোনকালে পাৰি আমাক ন্যায় লাগে, যিমান সোনকালে পাৰি সেই অপৰাধীসকলক ধৰি লৈ যেতিয়ালৈ শাস্তি নহয় তেতিয়ালৈ মেডিকেল ছাৰ্ভিচ বন্ধ কৰা উচিত। এইটো আই এম ৰিকুৱেষ্টিং দ্য প্ৰেচিডেণ্ট অফ ইণ্ডিয়ান মেডিকেল এছ'চিয়েশ্যন, প্লিজ continue this protest until and unless they are hanged. It's my special request, because we see the reality, we see the history. The justice will be delayed, the justice will be denied, and I don't want that. It's my special request to all of you, please be with us.
So Ripunjoy, yes, we have heard. Yes, Ripunjoy, we have heard the doctors. They will go to indefinite strike if their demands are not met. But Ripunjoy, how will it affect the emergency services, because the patients, they are already admitted in the hospital? So how will it affect them?
Yes, Priya, some of the patients who are being in the indoor and the emergency services, they are being given services. However, the OPD, the outpatient department, is the services remain suspended today. following the call given by the Indian Medical Association all throughout the country, and that is what is being implemented in here in Dibrugarh also. Priya, you can see that the rally has already begun. The cry for justice is getting louder and louder, and you can see that the rally, there are also security men all over here, security men accompanying the rallists, in fact, to ensure that there is no breakdown of law and order. And this is quite a very shocking state of affairs, and for which the doctors and the entire medical fraternity, in other words, you can say, had to hit the streets today to seek justice for the young doctor who was brutally raped and murdered. Priya?
Right. So, Ripunjay Das, till what time will they carry on the protest today?
Yes, Priya, this protest will go all along the medical campus now, and further it will go towards Paltan Bazaar. It will culminate, in fact, in a place called Paltan Bazaar. They will move out of the doctors will also move out of this campus. First of all, they are going all throughout the campus. You can see that holding placards, banners, all the doctors, all the students, junior doctors, nursing students, nursing staff, everybody is out in the streets, and they had been compelled to do this, Priya, I would like to say, because the way the case has been handled by the authorities concerned, be it the Bengal government or by the authorities concerned, has shook the entire nation, and there has been repercussion all throughout the country, and also it had also global repercussion. So this episode, and one more thing, Priya, emotionally the doctors here in Dibrugarh has also been reminded of the heinous rape and rape and murder of Dr. Sarita Tasniwal, who was a PG of surgery department, who was also murdered while she was in duty around 10 years ago. So that incident has come live into the minds of these students and doctors. And that time also, Priya, there was nothing much was almost done by the police or the CID, which had investigated the case, and those who were arrested, they finally got bail and moved out scotch-free. So this has created a sense of insecurity among the doctors, particularly the women doctors, the lady doctors, the students. They are in very much agitated mood today. As you can see that the placards speak of themselves, doctors' life matters, like real men don't rape, that we live in republic, not a rape public. So this is what the situation is overall now. You see hundreds and hundreds of students of Assam Medical College, which is the region's oldest and premier medical college, is the oldest. It's established in 1947, oldest. And prior to it also, the Berry White Medical School, established in the year 1900. So it's a more than 100 years old hospital. Then the students here are compelled to hit the streets today, and due to which they have to boycott the OPD services today, as per the call given by the Indian Medical Association. A nationwide call has been given for a 24 hours OPD boycott today, and due to which the doctors have come out in the streets. See another placard, respect the gender who gave you birth, we want justice. These are the nursing students also. They has also come out in full blast, I would like to say. These are the nursing students. They have also the security concern now in their minds, and everybody, in fact, the society has reacted very sharply to the entire episode. And the most important thing I would like to reiterate, Priya, is that the way the case has been handled and now almost given a political twist to the unfortunate rape and murder of a young doctor, 31-year-old doctor, has now been given a political twist. That is the major cause of worry for all these young doctors
Right.
here at the Assam Medical College in Dibrugarh.